Stop scrolling for a second. Seriously, put the phone down. Ever stared blankly at a closet overflowing with clothes and thought to yourself with a sigh of utter defeat, I have absolutely nothing to wear? Same. We've all been there. It's a universal fashion frustration. But what if your dream wardrobe, the one you've always envisioned, is already hiding in plain sight, right there in your closet, just waiting to be unlocked and brought to life with a little creativity and know-how? Today, we're going to embark on a style journey together, transforming your look for 2025, no designer price tags necessary, and absolutely no compromising your values when it comes to sustainable and ethical fashion choices. We'll dive deep into the fascinating world of outfit psychology, exploring how what you wear can impact your mood and confidence, uncover some incredible thrifting hacks, and examine how Gen Z is rewriting the fashion rulebook, breaking boundaries and embracing individuality. By the end of this, you'll see endless possibilities and hidden potential in your closet, even that old, slightly embarrassing Fun Run t-shirt you've been hiding in the back. So are you ready to turn that overwhelming chaos into a beautifully curated masterpiece of a wardrobe? Let's do this. Let's unlock your style potential. Let's talk the oversized fitted formula. Balance is key, big on top, fitted on bottom, or vice versa. Oversized blazer, pair with leggings or a mini skirt. Baggy pants, go with a fitted tank. This contrast sculpts your look and makes it intentional, not accidental. It's the easiest way to look stylish with zero effort. Try it. You'll be obsessed. Ever feel like your outfits are missing that certain? Well, let me introduce you to the sandwich rule, your secret weapon to creating effortlessly cohesive outfits. It's a simple yet powerful styling trick. The core idea? Match two elements, acting as the bread of your outfit, like your shoes and a hat. These matching elements act as the bread, creating a visual frame, and then you can go wild in the middle with the filling. This frames your overall look, pulling everything together in a harmonious way. It's a clever way of grounding your style, making even bold and adventurous choices feel intentional and well-considered. For example, try rocking some vibrant pink pants, and then echo that color with a playful pink hair clip. Pair it with a neutral top, like a classic white tee or a beige blouse to balance the boldness. Or keep it simple and chic with white sneakers and a crisp white beanie. This works seamlessly with virtually any outfit you can imagine. Think of it as a safety net, giving you the confidence to experiment with new styles and color combinations. You can easily use it with your shoes and bags, creating a polished and put-together look, or have some fun by matching your hats and socks for a quirky and playful vibe. The possibilities are truly endless, leading to a multitude of stylish combos. Trust me, this simple rule is a total game changer for your wardrobe. Want a crop top without cutting your shirt? Grab a t-shirt and a hair tie. Gather, twist, and tuck the extra fabric. Instantly, you've got a custom crop. No commitment. Works with any tee, giving you triple the outfit options. Pair with high-waisted jeans, skirts, or sweatpants for endless vibes. Tiny tweak, huge impact. Let's bring back shirt layering, a trend that defined the early 2000s. Think 2004 style, but with a modern twist, a little more refined and definitely better. We're not just replicating the past, we're elevating it. Layer a fitted long sleeve, maybe a thermal or a mesh top under a baggy tee like your favorite band shirt. Or, for a more casual vibe, try an open flannel over a hoodie. It's all about comfort and style. Play with weights and fits. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics and silhouettes. This adds depth and texture to your outfit, making it visually interesting and unique. Try an oversized button-up over a fitted one. It's a classic combination that always works. This creates a deconstructed look, adding an element of effortless cool to your style. It's grunge, it's preppy, it's a mix of everything that's cool and current. It's totally Gen Z, embracing individuality and self-expression through fashion. Perfect for unpredictable weather, keeping you comfortable and stylish no matter the forecast. Layering is an easy way to add instant style and personality to any outfit. Layer up, experiment, and stand out from the crowd with your unique style. The one-button rule will change your jacket game. Just button the top button. Blazer, cardigan, denim jacket, whatever. It creates a chic A-line shape and shows off your outfit underneath. Jackets become accessories, not just outerwear. Try it with trench coats for drama. Small detail, massive impact. Thrifting is about strategy, not luck. Go on weekday mornings for fresh finds. Explore every section. Men's, kids, even homewares for scarves. Go in with a wish list to stay focused. Train your eye for colors, fabrics, and silhouettes. The best pieces are always hiding. Thrift smart, not hard. Make thrifted pieces uniquely yours with easy DIYs. Add patches, pins, or simple embroidery for instant personality. Try distressing, cropping, or painting for a custom vibe. No need to be an artist, just experiment. The goal: transform a $5 find into wearable art. Perfection isn't the point. Personality is. Your clothes, your story. Clothing swaps are the ultimate sustainable hack. Gather friends, bring clothes and trade. Free shopping, more fun. It's eco-friendly, wallet-friendly, and a style refresh. Try new looks you'd never pick for yourself. Build community and a new wardrobe at once. Swapping is the new shopping. Low-rise jeans are back, don't panic. The 2025 version is relaxed, confident, and all about new proportions. Style with longer tops, baby tees, or cropped cardigans. Add a cool belt for definition. It's not about body type, it's about attitude. Gen Z is making low-rise cool again. Hair accessories are the easiest way to level up your look. Mix butterfly clips, claw clips, barrettes, and headbands for playful vibes. Match colors to your outfit for cohesion. Layer clips or combine vintage and modern styles. It's low commitment, high impact. Your hair equals sign your canvas. Gen Z style is all about mixing feminine and edgy. Pair lace or florals with leather jackets or combat boots. Or toughen up ripped jeans with pearls or strappy heels. The contrast makes your look dynamic and unique. Don't pick a box, mix them all. Sweet plus spicy equals sign unforgettable style. Mixing prints isn't scary, just follow a few guidelines. Stick to a shared color family for harmony. Mix big prints with small ones for balance. Start small patterned scarf with stripes or socks with plaid. Let one print be the star, the other the sidekick. Build confidence as you go. Print mixing equals sign instant creativity. Invest in classics. Coats, jeans, boots, bags. Save on trends. Get them thrifted or fast fashion. Mix high and low for a luxe look on a budget. Quality basics last. Trendy pieces come and go. Strategic spending equals sign stylish wardrobe. Capsule wardrobes aren't about owning less. They're about loving what you own. Pick a color palette, neutrals plus a couple accents. Build with timeless basics. Jeans, blazers, tees, dresses. Everything mixes and matches, killing decision fatigue. Sprinkle in trends for personality. Getting dressed becomes effortless. Quality over quantity, always. Your bag can make or break your outfit. 90s shoulder bags, slouchy totes, micro bags, pick your vibe. Use bold bags to elevate basics or classic bags to ground busy looks. Invest in a couple you love. They'll upgrade every outfit. Bags aren't just practical, they're the main event. Let your bag do the talking. Layer your jewelry for a curated, personal look. Mix necklace lengths, metals, and textures for a neck mess. Stack bracelets and rings, chunky with delicate, gold with silver. Balance is key, heavy on one area, lighter on another. Jewelry tells your story. Make it yours. Don't follow old rules. Mix it up. Accessorize with intention. Shoes set the tone for your whole look. Sneakers equal sign casual. Heels equal sign night out. Boots equal sign edgy. Chunky sneakers, loafers, combat boots, and kitten heels are all in. Use shoes to transition outfits between seasons. A few versatile pairs multiply your options. Never underestimate shoe power. Cinderella was right. Monochrome outfits are chic and easy. Mix textures and shades within one color for depth. All brown? Try silk, corduroy, and knit together. Works with any color. White, black, blue. Minimal effort, maximum style. One color, endless possibilities. Trends move fast, but don't lose your style chasing them. Use trends as inspiration, not a rulebook. Only try what feels authentic to you. Add trends in small doses, like a red bag or statement ring. True style is about what makes you feel good. Make trends work for you, not the other way around. The 70-20-10 rule makes outfit building easy. 70% classic basics, 20% trendy, 10% statement. Start with jeans and a tee, add a trendy jacket, finish with bold jewelry. This balance keeps your look timeless but current. Your statement piece is the exclamation point. Mix, match, and make it yours. Effortless style every time. That plain dress in your closet? It's a style chameleon. 5 ways to wear it. 1. Sneakers, denim jacket, tote, casual weekend. 1. Button-up or blazer, loafers, office chic. 1. Heels, gold jewelry, red lip, date night. 1. Mesh top, combat boots, leather jacket, concert ready. 1. Sweater over, tights, ankle boots, cozy fall. 1 dress, endless looks. Need to go from day to night fast? Start with a versatile base. Trousers, top, blazer, loafers. Swap loafers for heels, ditch the blazer, add statement jewelry. Switch your tote for a clutch and touch up your makeup. In 5 minutes, you're ready for anything. No full outfit change needed, day to night mastered. Thrifted clothes not fitting perfectly? No problem. Cinch loose waists with a belt or shoelace. Belt boxy jackets on the outside for shape. Cuff or scrunch sleeves for polish. Use a hidden hair tie if needed. These tricks make any piece look custom. No tailor required. Work with what you've got. The most important style hack? Confidence. You can wear anything if you own it. Style icons stand out because they're unapologetically themselves. Start small, try something new, even just to the grocery store. The more you experiment, the more your confidence grows. Your style journey is about self-discovery. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. That's a wrap. Now your turn. Try 3 hacks from today. Mix prints, do the one button trick, go monochrome. Share your looks with #StyleHacksWithA. Let me know your favorite tip in the comments. Subscribe for more style content and share with a friend. Remember, fashion is fun, accessible, and should always be authentically you. See you next time. Your style, your rules, your confidence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these style hacks, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Your support means the world. See you in the next one.